The next letter is L. L. L is for lion. It looks like the lion is sleeping. Shh. What is it? Something is bothering the lion. It landed on the lion's nose. It is a ladybug. Ladybug starts with L. Uh-oh, the lion is going to catch the ladybug. Oh, my nose! He missed the ladybug. He's going to try again. Look, he's using both paws. Ouch! He missed it again. Now the ladybug is flying away.
The ladybug, the ladybug, the ladybug is flying,
Flying here, flying there, flying everywhere.
The ladybug, the ladybug, the ladybug is flying,
And then she lands on somebody else's nose. The ladybug landed on my nose. Bye-bye, ladybug. The next letter is M. M. M is for mouse. This is a maze. Maze also starts with M. The mouse wants to find some cheese. Let's help the mouse to get the cheese. We have to follow the things that start with M. Which sign should we follow? The squirrel or the mole? Yes, the mole starts with M. Which sign should we follow? The flower or the mushroom? Yes, mushroom starts with M. We're getting closer. We're almost there, Mr. Mouse. Which sign should we follow? The rabbit or the monkey? Yes, monkey starts with M. Go, Mr. Mouse, you're almost there. We made it. Now, who's holding the cheese? That's me. I'm holding the cheese. The next letter is N. N. Let's find something that starts with N. This is a newt. Newt starts with N. By the way, who caught the newt? That's me. I caught the newt. Shall I let him go or keep him? Okay, let's let him go. What is this? It's a bird's nest. Nest starts with N. There are 2 eggs in the nest. One of them is moving. Why is it moving? Wow, a baby bird is coming out of the egg. Oh, the other egg is moving too. Here comes the other baby bird. Hi, baby birds. The next letter is O. O. O is for orange. This is an owl. Owl also starts with O. What is the owl doing? It looks like he's sleeping. Actually, the whole owl family is sleeping. Oh, the orange hit the owl on the head, but it's still sleeping. Oh, another orange hit the baby owl, but it's still sleeping. How come? Will they ever wake up? The sun goes down, and the owls wake up. Now I get it. The owls sleep in the day and wake up at night. Here comes the moon. Look, somebody's face is on the moon. That's me. I'm the face on the moon. The next letter is P. P. P is for penguin. And this is a pig. Pig also starts with P. Whose house are they visiting? That's me. I'm going to serve my friends food. The penguin will eat less than the pig. Which plate is for the penguin? Yes, the penguin is eating one slice of pizza. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yum, 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 yum. The pig is eating 2 slices of pizza. Oink, oink, oink. Which plate is for the pig? Remember, the pig eats more. Yes, the pig eats 3 pea pods. Oink, oink. And the penguin eats 1 pea pod. The next letter is Q.